Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Okay, first of all, by the time you see this video, it will be the year 2025. So happy new year. I hope everything is well. Of course, when I make this video, it's not yet. I normally upload my video a few days in advance. So this video I upload and set for 1st January. Okay, these three things that I had bought from the Japan second-hand shop. First of all, this small Toyota. It wasn't in this color. I repainted it. It was paint loss, scratches everywhere. It's the Toyota Vitz in 1/64 scale. So through 1/64, this very small car, we paint it beige and then do the pillars and the lights. Opening rear hatch. Toyota Vitz, I think it had a 1.3 up to 1.5 liter engine. Then we go to this train. This one is also heavily paint loss. You can see here at the corners. But it's a lorry, so it's okay. And this is the Japanese bullet train, the E5 Hayabusa. I also found this handkerchief or cloth that it says Series E5 Hayabusa 2022. I don't think this is a handkerchief. I don't know what it is. It just ringgit, 20 cents euro, 35 cents Australian. Why not to go with the train? So this is how they move the train if they need to move the train on the road. They put it on a trolley and then hitch up a trailer, and you can drag it around, turn. Okay, it's loose. Then lastly, we have this. Can you read the word? It says Tentamushi. Tentamushi and Koro. I don't know what is it. You can Google it, but I know that this is a Suzuki mini caravan towing another caravan. Now, if you are going camping, extra space is nice, but there's this window here. So if you park like this, you cannot see anything. So if the view is nice over there towards the train, then you park it like this, so you can view from this window. You can view there. It's not blocked by your own trailer. And this part on the roof can be extended so that the roof is higher. Okay, for this, the front driving part and the caravan is separate. So what is possible? Say you are going camping, so you can extend a canvas roof to cover this area So this is the sleeping area. It can sleep 2 people easily. So sleep here, and this area looks like there's a, let me see, table. Yeah, so can you see it? Some square thing over there. Okay, it has a screw. So let me get my screwdriver so we can dismantle to see what. Is it a table? Nope. It is a table, and there's a sink. Table and sink. So it's possible. Okay, in this, okay, let me screw back first before I continue. So like I said, 2 people sleep here. This part can be the cooking and dining area plus toilet. You get a full set. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, please. Happy New Year again, 2025. See you in my next video. Bye.